In this video, let me show you a review about the Wi-Fi Profits review. Wi-Fi Profit is a marketed as beginner-friendly system that promises to help users build an online business using just a phone, laptop, or tablet, and a few Wi-Fi connection. However, there are several red flags and concerns surrounding this platform. Some of the main issues include overhyped marketing claims, a lack of transparency, no actual mobile app, potential for aggressive upsells, unrealistic income claims, fake testimonials, and no clear refund policy. While Wi-Fi Profits offers a package of training and tools aimed at beginners, the marketing tactics used raise serious concerns. The exaggerated claims of quick and effortless income are typical of many online schemes that underdeliver. For those new affiliated to marketing, the program might provide a basic introduction, but it's important to approach it with caution and realistic expectations. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.